Well, thanks for joining us this morning. You're Carolina, Jack, and Megan, and we talk a lot, at least I do, about my friends.
You bet that you talk a lot.
I talk a lot, I know, but from my friends at Family Dental Health, they're hooking me up with a pretty smile. Can you see my stuff, my Invisalign today?
Yeah, you can't see them.
That's
you
the
nice
can't,
part.
the lisp is starting to go away.
You don't have a lisp.
Well, sometimes when I say S's, it gets
You don't
a little,
lisp.
you know, because of these things sometimes a little bit, but it's going to be fun, and I'm excited to introduce two new members of the Family Dental Health family. Let's meet Dr. Katie Nagel. Good to see you.
You too.
From
Thanks.
Iowa.
Yes, I am.
Hey, Doc.
Awesome.
Hello.
And then Dr. Jamie Jo Studer. Great to see you. Originally from Indiana, but been here about 5 years.
Yes.
Well, great. Well, what brought y'all to Family Dental? What made you want to
Beside a
jump on
bus, I
board?
mean.
Yeah.
Well, I
Airplane?
actually, an airplane got me
Okay.
here. No, I actually ran a summer camp up in the mountains when I was in my undergraduate summers, and just fell in love with South Carolina and with the upstate, and decided after I practiced in Iowa for a little while, I thought, nope, I'm supposed to be back
We're
in
just
South
a magnet.
Carolina.
We're just
so
a magnet.
you are, yes.
What was the camp? I'm curious. Was it
Camp
Hendersonville
Chattooga.
or-
Camp Chattooga.
It's in Mountain
South Carolina.
Rest.
Oh, Mountain
Yes.
Rest. Okay.
Yeah, those Iowa winters, it was just too much.
Yeah, I can't do any more snow. I was there in February and we had 15 inches, and I thought,
You're
no,
like, I'm
I'm
Her dad
good.
had her corn husking too.
Yes.
Oh, so there
I
was
can husk an
that.
ear of corn pretty
Can you?
quickly. Oh yeah.
Okay, so Family Dental Health has so many different, divisions. Which part are you working with?
So I'm at the Furman office.
The Furman office.
Yep. And
Okay.
we see kids through adults. We do it all right at the office. So.
Awesome. Well, Dr. Jamie, tell me about you. What part are you with?
I'm at Five Forks.
Five Forks. Okay.
Yeah.
I'll be seeing you like in a week then.
Okay, sounds
I'm
good.
coming down there. What brought you here?
To Greenville,
Yeah, to Family
honestly,
Dental.
I took a residency in Chapel Hill, North Carolina. That's what brought me and my husband south.
Yeah.
And then we took a quiz online to figure out where to live.
Are you serious?
Took
Oh, I
that.
love
What
it.
quiz was that called? What would
It was findyourspot.com.
Oh, I need to write that
And
down.
Greenville ended up being on both of our lists, and we're like, we got to check out this Greenville place. And then we
It
walked
is the
downtown and
Carolina.
fell in
Chapel
love.
Hill's good, but
Yeah,
we may be.
but we completely fell in love with downtown,
Yeah.
and that was
Do
it.
y'all have specialties within the firm?
We don't. Well, the
General
practice.
dentistry?
Family Dental Health has specialties, but we actually just do general dentistry at our offices. Five Forks has.
We do have pediatric and orthodontic.
It's so
At the Five
easy.
Forks
I mean, you
office.
go out there and it's all right there. It's just, and it's so fun, Jack. You walk in and there's a chalkboard. It's like, welcome, Jack, or welcome, Megan. So
Oh.
it's just, just these
They
little
know who's
sweet,
coming?
yeah, it's just sweet little touches that you're like, sometimes do you not see that people get nervous when they go to the dentist? They
Yeah.
think, oh, is this going to be a fun experience?
Well,
The
you know, they
dentist-
might have liked the dentist growing up. What's your experience? You know, 'cause y'all had one.
I did not have the greatest dental experiences.
Really?
I had braces for 5 years. I went through the whole gamut of treatment, and probably the last thing I should want to be is a dentist. But my godmother and her husband are both dentists, and they still managed to get me excited about it, and I love it. So.
That's great.
I love. I mean, these are the people that you want to be going to. I mean, you feel so good going to, and doesn't everybody have a good time that works there too? You
Oh
have to
yeah,
be
we
that
have a great
happy.
time.
Yeah.
All the staff gets along really, really
I've
well.
seen a dentist that didn't have nice teeth.
It's very,
doesn't happen.
it's very rare.
Probably wouldn't be great marketing.
Exactly. You gotta practice what you preach. Okay, we all are taking new appointments all the time, right? Should they just
Oh, yes.
give y'all a call? Do you do like consultations first, or what should they do?
New patient exams. People can come in. If it's a more complicated case, we might bring you back for some treatment planning, but we like to get teeth cleaned to that first visit and get you started on everything. So.
Well, excellent. Well, you're seeing numbers up on your screen. You can call and figure out which location you want to go, because they've got 5, so you can find the one closest to you. And I look forward to working with y'all more and
Yes.
get to know y'all. So thanks for introducing yourself. Very
So
cool.
Furman.
Furman.
And at
Five
Five
Forks.
Forks.
Five Forks. Yeah,
Very
very
nice.
cool. Thank you, ladies. We
Thank
appreciate it.
you.